Hello, thank you for joining the poster session. My name is Charan. I'll be presenting AI Labs Palo Alto Networks work on Log2NS, which is a framework to combine formal models with machine learning methods. The motivation for our work comes from the machine learning model built on reactive systems, such as airplanes, integrated circuits, and firewalls. The reactive systems, the logs typically collected on the have only mostly positive examples, and we'll be missing many negative examples. If we build the models with positive examples, our capability to derive useful insights more on the models might be compromised. Hence, we created a system called Log2NS, which combines machine learning and formal methods to avoid survivorship bias. So our Log2NS framework involves building two sets of models. One is a formal model and another is a machine learning model. The inputs from the machine learning models comes from the logs. And for formal models, we'll get a set of configuration files or other inputs based on the reactive systems. So first we start with creating embeddings for the logs, log entities such as IP addresses, applications, and so on. And then we create a embedding vector for each row of the log entry. After that, we use anomaly detection methods or unsupervised learning to detect the patterns in the logs. Once these patterns are detected, we manually go and examine each of these anomalies or the clusters and identify the key questions. Once the key questions are identified, we are going to build a formal model for reactive systems and ask the formal models that the questions generated from the machine learning procedures. So this way we generate positive and negative examples via formal reasoning and also the log querying. To give an example, we ran some experiments. So the experiments are based on a network topology, which has a main branch and two remote offices. So we collected data over a span of 3 weeks, and the logs consist of source and destination IP addresses and several applications, and flocks and tunnel where these logs are where these network logs are generated. And also we have configuration files, and during these 3 weeks configuration is unchanged. Once the data is collected, two of the clusters, once we created the clusters from these logs, two of the clusters became important for us. So one of them is traffic sending to unwanted region. Second one is access to internet via DNS servers. For the first case, we observed that there are some source IPs sending data to unwanted regions, and we queried the formal models with the same question: what IP addresses can send this data and corresponding rules. So based on that, we identified the corresponding rules, and this exposed misconfiguration in the policy. In the second scenario, our system is designed to send only have a private DNS address, but somehow our system was able to access, some of the IP addresses was able to access public DNS services. Again, we queried the formal system to identify the corresponding rules and corresponding IP addresses. Then after that, we strengthened our policies to disallow this access. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time. You can contact us at the following email address. Thank you.